In this video, I'm going to explain how to receive money on Cash App without paying a fee, and I'll walk you through the simple steps inside the app so you know exactly how it works. The good news is that receiving money on Cash App is always free. If someone sends you money from their Cash App balance, from a debit card, or from their linked bank, you don't get charged anything. As soon as they send it, the money instantly appears in your Cash App balance. You don't have to do anything special to accept it. Now let me show you how sending and requesting works inside the app. When you open Cash App, right on the main screen you'll see the Money tab with a keypad. Type in the amount of money you want, and then you'll see two options, Request or Pay. If you tap Request, you can choose who you want to request money from by entering their cash tag, phone number, or email. Once they approve the request, the money goes straight into your balance with no fees. If someone is sending you money, they'll do the same thing. Enter your cash tag or number, type the amount, and tap Pay. In both cases, there are no receiving fees at all. Where people sometimes lose money is when they try to withdraw it. Cash App gives you two choices, Instant Transfer or Standard Transfer. If you pick Instant, the money goes to your bank in seconds, but you pay a fee of around 1.5%. If you pick Standard, the money takes 1 to 3 business days, but there's no fee at all. So if you want to make sure you don't lose anything, always use the Standard option. Another way to avoid fees is to just spend directly from your Cash App balance. That's where the free Cash App card comes in. It's a Visa debit card that's linked to your Cash App account. And every time someone sends you money, you can swipe that card in stores, use it online, or even withdraw cash at ATMs. You never have to move the money to a bank if you don't want to. And that's it. In this video, you learned how to receive money on Cash App without paying any fees, how the send and request options work inside the app, and the best ways to avoid extra charges when you cash out. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.